Ways on how to make a lot of money through the stock market. Investing can be the path to financial security, as well as the road to bankruptcy. While luck can play a part in it, you should do your homework and know what you are getting into. Make sure that you go into investing with your eyes wide open. Use the advice from this video to help you make the most of your investments. Before dipping your toe in the stock market, study it carefully. Keeping track of the market before you decide to buy can help you know what you're doing. In the best case, you will be able to watch the market for about 3 years before investing. This way, you will have a better idea of exactly how the market works, and will have more chance of actually making money. You should compare stock prices to a number of factors in order to truly assess the value of any stock. If you are trying to determine whether or not a stock price is over or undervalued, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, cash flow and related factors. Also analyze the sector or industry the business is in, as some sectors grow slower than others. Keep in mind that the value of a stock involves much more than simply its price. When deciding whether or not to invest in a particular stock, there are several other factors to consider that are more important. The price of a stock should be only one small part of the decision. It is very essential that you always look over your stock portfolio a few times a year. The reason for this is that the economy is constantly changing. Some industries will advance, while others will gradually die out. Depending on current economic conditions, some financial instruments may make better investments than others. Due to these realities, it is key to keep as close an eye on your portfolio as you can. Create your own index fund. Choose an index you would like to track, like the Nasdaq or Dow Jones. Buy the individual stocks that are on that index on your own, and you can get the dividends and results of an index mutual fund without paying someone else to manage it. Just be sure to keep your stock list up to date to match the index you track. It is important to understand what a P/E ratio is when investing in common stocks. P/E ratio is short for price-to-earnings ratio and is a reflection of what the price of stock is compared to how much money it earns. Using the P/E ratio when valuing stocks helps to judge whether the stock is a bargain compared to the money it generates, or whether it is selling at a premium. It is not the only thing to consider, of course, but it is one basic indicator of a stock's relative worth. As already noted, investing can lead you financial security or it could cause you to lose everything. While being lucky can make the difference, it is knowledge and wise decisions that are the things that you can control. Use the information from this video to be able to make the most informed decisions when investing your hard-earned cash. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.